Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will compare Surfshark VPN with NordVPN and see how they fit in different criterias. And the criterias will be the number of servers and the number of countries they are available in and their servers are available in. Then we will also see how many devices we get to access using one account of Surfshark and NordVPN, and we will see the security levels they provide, and after that we will also see the pricing of them and which one is the cheapest and gives the best service. So are you ready? So let's get started with it already. And the first thing is, let's see how many servers they are giving and how many countries they are in. So as for the NordVPN, there are 5,400 servers available. So basically there are 60 countries available on NordVPN, and you can select different servers by clicking on the particular country and there will be number of servers available for you, and all you have to do is just surf through a country and then find the server you want to connect to. And as for the Surfshark, there are 3,400 servers and these servers are available in 90 countries. So the thing is, number of servers are less on Surfshark, but the number of countries that are available on Surfshark is quite more, which is around 30 more than NordVPN. So you decide which one is better in this field and comment down below. Now let's move on with our other parameter, which is the number of devices we get to access using our account. So on NordVPN, you get to access 6 different devices using one single account. So basically just purchase one account and get access of one account, and you will be able to log into your different devices, whether it is mobile or laptop, but it cannot go more than 6. So you will be getting security for your 6 devices. And as for the Surfshark, you get unlimited access. That means with one account you get access to unlimited devices. And that's really cool, right? So let's move on with our another parameter, which is the security and the most crucial part of any VPN, because there's no point of a VPN if it can't even provide security for us. So in Surfshark, you get security at different levels. The ad blocker is there, the malware blocker is also there, and they also provide additional security features. And as for the NordVPN, it has meshnet. You can link your devices on meshnet and then access them in encrypted form, and this is really great for your security. And there is also dark web monitor, and sometimes there are phishing attacks on our computer or our device and our data gets lost and it is sold on darknet, and it is not a good thing to happen to us. So NordVPN's dark web monitor helps you with your email linked with your account and checks whether anything associated with your email has been leaked over the dark web or not. And this is also a really good feature. And the best feature that I like about NordVPN is the kill switch feature, which basically means that when you are trying to disconnect from a server that you connected for a while, right after you disconnect from that server, all your data related to that server gets deleted right after your disconnection. And that's like really good, leaving no trace of you, and it doesn't give any chance for the hackers to compromise on your security. So it is really an appreciable feature which NordVPN gives. And now let's move on with our another parameter, which is the pricing. So currently Surfshark is giving around 84% off and also 2 months free, but we need to know what is the actual price on which it is giving us this much of its discount. And as for the NordVPN, it is giving us a 63% off in its Black Friday deal, and it is also giving us 3 months free. Now let's see what the pricing is. So for a 2-year standard plan, you get to pay around $3.69 per month, and you will also be getting 3 months free. Now let's see what the Surfshark is up to. And for a Surfshark account, we need to pay around $2, and it's also for 24 months, and we also get 2 months free. So basically $2 for 1 month, and only if we subscribe to 24 months package. So this is the costing, and we get different features according to it. And also if we upgrade to another plan, then we get additional features. So that's all from my side today, and I hope you like the video and also the comparison. Please comment down below if you still have any queries, and make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.